different languages have different strengths and weaknesses. One of the things I really liked about PowerShell was its ability to manipulate time. There are some languages that have no problem manipulating time, and there's others that takes a little bit of work. You got to import classes, whatever the case may be. PowerShell natively just handles time manipulation, and we're going to show some of that. And again, for the video, I just want to point out we are going to use PowerShell in Linux because we can. We just want to show that with the open sourcing of PowerShell, it is a fully functioning capability inside Linux and Mac, and is a tool that can be used natively on all three platforms. It's not just a tool for system administrators. All right, let's walk right into time manipulation. Very easiest thing to do. First thing we want to do is we're going to use the getDate function, this getDate commandlet. The getDate will give us the date, and then we can get, and we'll store it in time. So let's go see this. Here's my Ubuntu box. I'm just going to get on here, and if I type getDate, I've got the date. If I write and store it equals getDate, I can now call it at another time. Notice this won't be ticking any further. If I keep typing date, something to remember, time's not going to change because it's not saying, hey, run the getDate command. It's storing the value that was given to me. Just a little reminder. Anyway, so we've got getDate. First thing to know about date, I've got a date right here. We've got 4/15/2017, 14/14/12 p.m. and it breaks it down. Some of you might be familiar with the way that formatting code, 2 capital M's is for month, 2 capital D's is for date. You've got your YYY. You can also do 2 single Y's for just the 17. You've got capital H for hour. If it's 2 capital H's, it's going to be running in 24 hours. If it's a capital H with a lowercase h, it's 12 hours. A large M and a lower m is minutes. Big S and little s is seconds, big T and little t is AM, PM. All right, so let's see how that applies. If we write this, we can actually format the time however we would like. And I'm just going to grab this right here and show it. So we'll copy it, come over here, we'll paste it. So we're going to grab the current date, we're going to format and say, I don't want it to be shown Monday, December 5th like that. I want it to show up in this format. If I do that, boom, I've got that format. I can change it. What if I want to just do single, now it's 22. What if you are, I think it's European, so it's DD. Now we got it the other way. So it's really, really easy to format your fields, your time. If you need to place a date in the string, first thing you want to do is go get it nice and converted, then write your script. So you have a log and you want to add the current time into that log. And we'll do it this route. So we'll just take this, $date, copy, and then I'm going to paste. So my date field will be month, date, year, hour, minute, seconds, no spaces, and then I can do we can do sum log equals B. We'll make it a web plus date plus, and if I do this, we write sum log, we'll now have a log written with the timestamp. Web log with the date. Simple as that. Date manipulation in PowerShell is really simple. I hope this is helpful. If this video was useful to you, please, by all means, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you subscribe to the channel, and I hope this helps increase your ability to use PowerShell at your home and at work.